Padma, and I do more than 25 art forms like Macrame resin, alcohol ink, and I do different folk art forms as well like Madhubani, Varli, and I do teach all of these art forms like a master courses. It is just not like a simple art form like that. I do teach all these like master courses, and you can check all my artwork at Hall of Hobbies by Shri. And today we will be doing a simple macrame earrings. It will be so simple that anyone can do it. There is no much confusion and all. And actually we have done a recent macrame workshop. In that, actually this is a planter. Macrame is a very soothing art form that we can do any type of articles. We can do planters, we can do handbags, we can do keychains, so many. And this is the handbag that we have done in our master class. And this is like the simple one. You can do in so many variations. I'll show you others also so that you can have a look. Let me adjust my camera. So today we'll be doing this beautiful macrame earrings. Actually the same thing. If you don't have these jump rings right now with you, because normally these jump rings, those who have the jewelry kind of, they only will have. So if you have these jump rings right now, you can do the earrings directly, or else just I'm showing you can do it, because we will have so many keychains, right? So you can do the same thing. You can do a little bit bigger for the keychain as well. Actually this is this one I have made some almost 5 years ago. See, this one I have made a little bit bigger the size, and I have make it into a keychain. So right now if you don't have the jump rings, you can keep it to any circular stand and you can make it into a keychain like that. So now we'll start. For this you need the macrame threads. These will known as macrame cords. Actually there will be different types of macrame cords. Actually right now I am using the twisted macrame cord. Here why we'll call it twisted, because see, actually if you open it, we'll have 3 plies and all those 3 plies are fully twisted. So we'll call this as a 3-ply twisted cord. Actually there will be so many types of macrame. If anyone is interested, they can just message me or contact me so that you can join our master class. Like this cords you have to take 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters you can take either 8 or 10. Actually the number, if the more you take, it will come more lengthy. If the less you take, it will come small. So how much you want, you can take it. But right now if you don't have these cords, because so many they will not work with macrame. For them what I suggest is you can take any thread, normal thread. Any normal thread is fine. But when you are taking this, make sure that you take it with so much of, you take like almost like 50 threads at a bunch like that. See, you can take, I have folded here 3 times, right? Like that you can fold some 5 to 6 times, and then you can take 10 centimeters and then lightly you can twist it. Okay, like that means this will be like 1 thread. Like that you can take some 20 threads, because since it is have more thickness, I had told to take only 8 or 10. But if you are planning to take like this thread, you take some 20 or 25 like that. The only thing is it should have more thickness. Okay, so that at last you can have the puffy kind of, if it had more thickness means it will look more beautiful. That's it. Actually I have told you to take 8 10 centimeter cords and one 15 centimeter cord, a little bit bigger one. So I have taken a little bit bigger cord. This will be 1 and all others will be 10. This will be of smaller length. Okay. Right now what we do is, I am just showing it with a keychain because with everyone the jump rings they will not be present. Actually with both it's the same. Just for this circle we'll do the same process. If you want earrings, just for the circle you keep it, or else you just do with the keychain. I'm just showing it with the keychain because with everyone the earrings, jump rings and all they may not be available. Okay. And what you do is just secure it with a small tape so that it will not move.